Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make some green detox juice. So guys, these are all the ingredients that I will be using today. I have some cucumbers, ginger, green apple, and some lime. They are already washed and ready to be juiced. Cucumber helps with hydration, it helps to promote gut health, and it helps to manage blood sugar and weight. Ginger helps with inflammation and it has antibacterial properties. Green apple helps with cholesterol and it also promotes healthy blood pressure levels, and it's also a good source of vitamin C. Lime is also a good source of vitamin C and it helps to reduce inflammation and helps to prevent certain chronic illnesses. Here I'm adding just a spoonful of sugar. It is to my liking. You do not have to do this part. It is completely optional. Guys, it is so refreshing. Y'all need to give it a try. It is an excellent detox source. Guys, don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video. Bye guys.